Do you have a hole in your shower? Well, I do, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fill it in. So a little backstory about this project. The shower had a leak that was going on for a very long time. As you can see, some of the blocks got around here, it's still saturated and it's still drying out. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and just start filling in this hole before I start the next process of this renovation. Structural repair, concrete, and it's meant to fill gaps like this, but you're not going to want to fill it in immediately and make it smooth. You're going to want to build it up over different layers. So right now, I'm just going to smack it on there and just start bringing it out and covering it. So the reason why we had to foam the wall was that the plumber had a huge void in here. So of course you want to be able to seal it in with concrete. So we went ahead, put foam inside there, put chicken wire in as well to give it structural, so it's going to be solid. And that way the cement has something to cling to. So let's go ahead and get this done. By the way, once you mix this, the clock starts. You have about 15 minutes to go ahead and get this on the wall. Are clear and clean. So when I put the second coat on, it could grab to that edge all the way around. I don't know, just makes it easier for me down the road. And then make sure there is no cement that's bulging out. So you want to make sure it's as flat as possible on the surrounding block. So that way when you come back in with your second and your third coat, it's easy enough to smooth it out and fix. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. All right, so right now we waited the time. Everything is dry. We just knock off the loose stuff. Not that much loose stuff here. It's solid. So before your second coat, you're gonna wanna go ahead and grab yourself a wet sponge and you're just gonna damp the area down that you're gonna be putting the next coat on. And I already went ahead and mixed up our second batch. So let's begin. Mix this batch up on a little bit on the thicker side so that way it could adhere to the wall and it doesn't fall off the wall. All right, there you have it. So before you're done, make sure you clean up and scrape all the stuff that has fell down onto the ground so it's easier to clean up later.